Answer item numbers 1 through 21. If you answer yes to any of these questions, include a written explanation on an additional sheets of paper and provide any evidence to support your answer. Question number 1. Have you ever claimed to be a U.S. citizen in writing or any other way? Question number 2. Have you ever registered to vote in any federal, state, or local election in the United States? Question number 3. Have you ever voted in any federal, state, or local election in the United States? Question number 4. Do you now have or did you ever have a hereditary title or an order of nobility in any foreign country? Question number 5. Have you ever been declared legally incompetent or been confined to a mental institution? Question number 6. Do you owe any overdue federal, state, or local taxes? Question number 7. A. Have you ever not filed a federal, state, or local tax return since you become a permanent resident? Letter B. If yes, did you consider yourself to be a non-U.S. resident? Question number 8. Have you called yourself a non-U.S. resident on a federal, state, or local tax return since you became a permanent resident? Question number 9. A. Have you ever been a member of, involved in, or in any way associated with any organization, association, foundation, party, club, society, or similar group in the United States or in any other location in the world? Letter B. If yes, provide the information below. If you need more space, attach the names of the other groups on an additional sheet or sheets of paper and provide any evidence to support your answer. Question number 10. Have you ever been a member of or in any way associated with either directly or indirectly with A. the Communist Party, B. any other totalitarian party, C. a terrorist organization? Question number 11. Have you ever advocated, either directly or indirectly, the overthrow of any government by force or violence? Question number 12. Have you ever persecuted, either directly or indirectly, any reason because of race, religion, national origin, membership in a particular social group, or political opinion? Question number 13. Between March 23, 1933 and May 8, 1945, did you work for or associate in any way, either directly or indirectly with letter A. the Nazi government of Germany, B. any government in any area, 1. occupied by, 2. allied with, 3. established with the help of the Nazi government of Germany? Letter C. any German, Nazi, or SS military unit, paramilitary unit, self-defense unit, vigilante unit, citizen unit, police unit, government agency or office, extermination camp, concentration camp, prisoner of war camp, prison, labor camp, or transit camp. Question number 14. Were you ever involved in any way with any of the following? Letter A. genocide, B. torture, C. killing or trying to hurt a person on purpose, D. badly hurting or trying to hurt a person on purpose, E. forcing or trying to force someone to have any kind of sexual contact or relations, F. not letting someone practice his or her religion. Question number 15. Were you ever a member of or did you ever serve in, help, or otherwise participate in any of the following groups? A. Military unit. B. Paramilitary unit, a group of people who act like a military group but are not part of the official military. C. Police unit. D. Self-defense unit. E. Vigilante unit, a group of people who act like the police but are not part of the official police. F. Rebel group. G. Guerrilla group, a group of people who use weapons against or otherwise physically attack the military, police, government, or other people. H. Militia, an army of people not part of the official military. I. Insurgent organization, a group that uses weapons and fights against the government. Question number 16. Were you ever a worker, volunteer, or soldier, or did you otherwise ever serve in any of the following? A. Prison or jail. B. Prison camp. C. Detention facility, a place where people are forced to stay. D. Labor camp, a place where people are forced to stay. E. Any other place where people were forced to stay. Question number 17. Were you ever a part of any group or did ever help any group, unit, or organization that used a weapon against any person or threatened to do so? A. If yes, when you were part of this group or when you helped this group, did you ever use a weapon against another person? B. If yes, when you were part of this group or when you helped this group, did you ever tell another person that you would use a weapon against that person? Question number 19. Did you ever receive any type of military, paramilitary, a group of people who act like a military group but are not part of the official military, or weapons training? Question number 20. Did you ever recruit, ask, enlist, sign up, conscript, require, or use any person under age 15 to serve in or help an armed force or group? Question number 21. Did you ever use any person under age 15 to do anything that helped or supported people in combat? If any of item numbers 22 through 28 apply to you, you must answer yes, even if your records have been sealed, expunged, or otherwise cleared. You must disclose this information even if anyone, including a judge, law enforcement officer, or attorney, told you that it no longer constitutes a record or told you that you do not have to disclose the information. Question number 22. Have you ever committed, assisted in committing, or attempted to commit a crime or offense for which you were not arrested? Question number 23. Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer, including any and all immigration officials or the U.S. Armed Forces, for any reason? Question number 24. Have you ever been charged with committing, attempting to commit, or assisting in committing a crime or offense? Question number 25. Have you ever been convicted of crime or offense? Question number 26. Have you been placed in an alternative sentencing or a rehabilitative program, for example, diversion, deferred prosecution, withheld adjudication, deferred adjudication? Question number 27. A. Have you ever received a suspended sentence, been placed on probation, or been paroled? B. If yes, have you completed the probation or parole? Question number 28. A. Have you ever been in jail or prison? B. If yes, how long were you in jail or prison? Years, months, and days. Question number 29. If you answered yes to item number 23 to 28, complete the following table. If you need more space, use an additional sheets of paper and provide any evidence to support your answer. If you answered no to all item number 23 to 28, go to item 30. Now answer item number 30 to 46. If you answer yes to any of these questions except item number 37 and 38, include a written explanation on an additional sheets of paper and provide any evidence to support your answer. Question number 30. Have you ever A. Been a habitual drunkard, B. Been a prostitute or procured anyone for prostitution, C. Sold or smuggled controlled substances, illegal drugs, or narcotics, D. Been married to more than one person at the same time, E. Married to someone in order to obtain an immigration benefit, F. Helped anyone to enter or try to enter the United States illegally, G. Gambled illegally or received income from illegal gambling, H. Failed to support your dependents or to pay alimony, I. Made any misrepresentation to obtain any public benefit in the United States. Question number 31. Have you ever given any U.S. government officials any information or documentation that was false, fraudulent, or misleading? Question number 32. Have you ever lied to any U.S. government official to gain entry or admission into the United States or to gain immigration benefits while in the United States? Question number 33. Have you ever been removed, excluded, or deported from the United States? Question number 34. Have you ever been ordered, removed, excluded, or deported from the United States? Question number 35. Have you ever been placed in removal, exclusion, rescission, or deportation proceedings? Question number 36. Are removal, exclusion, rescission, or deportation proceedings, including administratively closed proceedings, currently pending against you? Question number 37. Have you ever served in the U.S. Armed Forces? Question number 38. Are you currently a member of the U.S. Armed Forces? Question number 39. If you are currently a member of the U.S. Armed Forces, are you scheduled to deploy overseas, including to a vessel, within the next 3 months? Refer to the address change section within the Form N-400 instructions on how to notify USCIS if you learn of your deployment plans after you file your Form N-400. Question number 40. If you are currently a member of the U.S. Armed Forces, are you currently stationed overseas? Question number 41. Have you ever been court-martialed, administratively separated, or disciplined, or have you received an other than honorable discharge while in the U.S. Armed Forces? Question number 42. Have you ever been discharged from training or service in the U.S. Armed Forces because you were an alien? Question number 43. Have you ever left the United States to avoid being drafted in the U.S. Armed Forces? Question number 44. Have you ever applied for any kind of exemption from military service in the U.S. Armed Forces? Question number 45. Have you ever deserted from the U.S. Armed Forces? Question number 46. A. Are you a male who lived in the United States at any time between your 18th and 26th birthday? This does not include living in the United States as a lawful non-immigrant. Letter B. If yes, when did you register for the selective service? Provide information below. Date, registered, month, day, year. Selective serve number. Letter C. If yes, but you did not register with a selective service system and you are 1. Still under 26 years of age, you must register before you apply for naturalization and complete the selective service information above. 2. Now, 26 years of age or older, but you did not register with the selective service, you must attach a statement explaining why you did not register and a status information letter from the selective service. Answer item numbers 47 through 53. If you answer no to any of these questions, include a written explanation on an additional sheets of paper and provide any evidence to support your answer. Question number 47. Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States? Question number 48. Do you understand the full oath of allegiance to United States? Question number 50. If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States? Question number 51. If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces? Question number 52. If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction? Note: answer the next question only if you answered yes to part 2 for item number 4 of Form N-400. Question number 53. At your naturalization ceremony, are you willing to give up any inherited titles or orders of nobility that you have in a foreign country? If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.